Welcome back. I'm Pratap Singh. You're joining us on NewsX. Breaking updates coming in this hour. The Israeli Air Force has carried out a strike on a target in Bushehr in southwest Iran. With the visuals now on your screens, you can see the massive blast on impact, the plumes of smoke that have erupted after the impact as well. The smoke has risen so high and engulfed the buildings all around it. The area is strategic, housing key energy and nuclear-related facilities, raising fears of further escalation in the conflict. Major General J.K. Bansal, defense expert, is with us live. Major General Bansal, what do you make of these fresh visuals coming in? An explosion reported as we can see in these images.
Good evening, Uday. This is a very dangerous and very risky, and this has been time and again by warned the International Atomic Energy Agency. Any kind of, because it was very, very close, this kind of attack has occurred, and once it hits the nuclear power plant, there will be radiation in the region, and it will not only affect the land and human being, flora and fauna, animal kingdom, but will also contaminate water. And most of the Gulf countries, they take water from sea by they do the desalination, so then it will be difficult. As such, we have seen the Fukushima incident when there was a nuclear accident was there, followed by a tsunami. At that time, even the seafood was contaminated. Similarly, there are instances that in case of Chernobyl also, it was even the milk was not safe because the cows or the which were grazing in the field, they had this. So this will be very, very risky and will have a very long-term radiation effect, not limited only up to Iran. It will be in the area, maybe up to a radius of say 500 to 1,000 kilometer. It could be, and depending on the wind direction, the plume will go in that particular direction and will hit more. As a matter of fact, some time back, the Kuwait has already made preparations for storing the potassium iodide, which can prevent the effect on thyroid, and this percent blue, which has got the effect that which can have some kind of prevention from thallium. So this kind of preparations are going on. So this is very, very risky. And now I think time has come that the countries should have restraint, and they must understand what will be the consequences of this particular incidents, because the long-term effect of radiation have got the effect on generation. There is the genetic variation is there. The lungs will be affected, kidneys will be affected, this eyes will be affected, cancer can be there, which we have seen as it happens in Hiroshima and Nagasaki. I think from the past, there should be a lesson should be learned, and this kind of thing should not be done. And U.S. and Israel has to have this restraint. They were planning earlier to take out the material by ground operation. That was a different thing. But bombing or blasting a particular nuclear power plant is very, very dangerous, and it should not be. I think Israel and America both are a responsible country, and they should not do this kind of attack on the Bushehr or any power plant which is likely to be hit by these forces in Iran. Over to you.